Hi guys, welcome to another episode of The Blurb, where discovering something new is our style of living. So, have you ever wanted to start your own vlog? Or maybe you simply just want to record a video? Join us as today we discover our top 6 gadgets and accessories that can help you become the next YouTube sensation. Guys, we're also trying to hit 1,000 subscribers to our channel, so a sub to the channel would really be appreciated. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell for future updates. First on our list is the GoPro Hero 8 Black. This awesome action camera is very versatile, giving you the ability to shoot and record high-quality videos, whether in a studio setup or in the outdoors. If you're already a GoPro user, you'd probably notice that there was only a minor update in its features, among of which is the Hypersmooth 2.0 feature, which promises more stable shots for action-oriented activities. It has 3 settings: the on, high, and boost. The first two will crop about 10% from the wide lens angle to buffer any jitters or bumps, while the boost mode crops up the shots even tighter, taking the edge off from serious camera bounces when you're doing something extreme. With its improved high-definition resolution and better low-light image processing, its Time Warp 2.0 is an excellent effect you can use if you want to show off an entire sequence within a short time without the need of editing. Its new auto interval detection uses a built-in accelerometer to add more frames when there is a lot going on in your shots during lulls. Other new features of the Hero 8 is its ability to capture raw photos, make recordings at 100 Mbps bitrate for 4K and 2.7K settings, and other additional capture presets. Number 2 on our list is the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter, which allows you to connect an external microphone to the Hero 8 Black. Though on its own, the Hero 8 Black already has a fairly decent microphone for recordings, you might want to have better audio quality for your videos, especially when you would be shooting outdoors. And so, the 3.5mm mic adapter is an essential accessory that you would need. Number 3 is the G8 metal cage from Ulanzi. The GoPro Hero 8 Black fits perfectly in this metal cage. Designed for vloggers, the Ulanzi G8 has a dedicated slot for your 3.5mm mic adapter and has 2 hat shoe mounts for your microphone and external light source. The G8 can easily be mounted on any tripod or selfie stick, and with its durable design, it ensures serious protection for your gear. Coming in at number 4 is the BYWM2G wireless microphone from Boya. A compact and easy-to-use wireless microphone system, it records clear and crisp speech, which is very ideal for new vloggers. With its omnidirectional lavalier mic included in the package, this microphone is suitable for performers who wish to exhibit freedom of movement in their visual recordings. But wait, if you are on a budget, a cheaper alternative to the BYWM2G is the Boya BYMM1 cardioid condenser microphone. It's ideal for selfie and close-range recordings. The BYMM1 provides a rich and excellent audio recording as it has a Fury windshield designed to inhibit wind and environmental noise that can affect recordings if you are in the outdoors. This device can easily be mounted on the G8 metal cage. Also, it has a rugged metal body finish and does not require any batteries. Number 5 is the L1 Pro from Ulanzi. This small and compact external light source allows you to take bright and clear shots even in the darkest of places. It comes with several filters which you can use depending on the mood that you would like to set for your videos. It has a battery life of up to 8 hours and can easily be charged using a power outlet or even your power bank. Last on our list is the iSteady gimbal. Although the Hero 8 Black already has a Hypersmooth 2.0 feature, you may want to consider getting a gimbal that can provide you more stable shots, especially when you are running. This handheld stabilizing gimbal for action cameras has 3-axis rotation that provides a film-level video recording. Compared to other gimbals in the market, I like the fact that it already comes with its own case. Since it's designed for action cameras, 2 of its best features are it can be linked to your GoPro and it has a splash-proof design. You may also want to consider getting a Wi-Fi clicker for your GoPro if you're doing your videos by yourself. The Shoot Smart Wi-Fi clicker would be a great choice. Also, make sure to get some extra batteries to keep you charged up when doing outdoor shoots. Telesin also offers GoPro batteries that are compatible with the Hero 8 Black. That's our top 6 gadgets for startup vloggers who are on a budget and perhaps can be the next YouTube sensation. Guys, I'm Zeus and that's The Blurb.